Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to review Nykaa new foundation. Nykaa has launched a new foundation. This is the Nykaa SkinShield anti-pollution foundation. So I'm going to review this foundation and my shade, and also I'm going to show you how I've created this look. So if you want to know all about this, then keep on watching. And also if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So I have already moisturized my face. For priming my face, I'm going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I look quite tan because I went to Wonderla and whole day I was in the pool and all, so I got too much of tan. So this will go off, the tan will go off after 2-3, I think after 1 week, because I regularly scrub my face. Okay, next I'm going to move into the foundation. So I have two shades. One is True Coffee number 12 and another is Foxy Chestnut number 13. So I have seen a lot of swatches. They have mentioned in the page all the shades. So this is the shade True Coffee is more of warm tone, and the number 13 Foxy Chestnut is more of neutral tone. So I think True Coffee is a perfect match for me because I'm warm toned, but let's see. So I first start with True Coffee. So it comes in a beautiful packaging. I really love this packaging because it is travel friendly and it does not spill. So I'm going to take a little bit of the product and swatch it on my cheeks. As you can see, this one is quite warm toned and it is quite matching to my skin tone. Because I have a little bit of tan now, so it is looking a little bit lighter, but I think this is the perfect shade for me because I can see it is matching with the lighter skin tone of my skin. Because I have tan in some areas, it is looking like a little bit lighter, but this is the perfect, seems to be the perfect shade for me. I'm going to swatch the shade next. It is Foxy Chestnut, which is more of a neutral tone. Okay, yeah, I can see this does not have any warm undertone in it. It is slightly darker than my skin tone, and it does not have any warm undertone in it. It is totally neutral. Means warm means you'd have a yellowish brown color. See, you can see this one looks a little bit perfect, matching to my skin tone because I have tan now. That's why it is looking perfectly matching to my skin tone. Whenever you get a tan, you get a dark brownish color, means you lose the warmth and it becomes more gray. The tans become more gray. That's why, because my face has become a little bit gray now, so it is perfectly matching to my skin tone. But whenever I don't have tan, I think this is the shade for me, and I can see the coverage is pretty good. So I'm going to apply the foundation on all over my face. So I'm going to apply the shade True Toffee in the lighter areas. For the darker areas, I'm going to use the shade Foxy Chestnut. But before that, I'm going to color correct my face. To take this Nykaa SkinGenius Conceal and Correct palette. This is very good because this is quite creamy, so it blends very easily, and it is in the shade medium. So taking a small brush, using the orangey shade, I'm going to apply it near my mouth. If I get more tan, this areas become more darker, but I enjoyed a lot in the Wonderla, in the pools. I love to do. But yeah, you get tan also, that's fine. After 2-3 days or maximum 1 week, it goes off. But in the summer, going to water areas, it is so fun. There you have artificial waves, so it was so fun to do with all this along with your family. So first I'm going to try this shade True Toffee. The True Toffee is more of yellow based. It feels similar to the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and this does not oxidize. Now a lot of you guys are going to ask, but I don't think this oxidizes because the shade seems to be same. A very good coverage. Now I'm going to try the darker shade on my cheekbones. Wow, it is blended very nicely. Yeah, I can see it's a very beautiful foundation. So next I'm going to finish rest of the makeup. I'm going to put concealer on all these products. I'm going to show you do all these things on camera, but I'm not going to add any sound to it because it is going to take a lot of time, and I'll mention the details of all the products in the description box below. So yeah, this is the finished look. So yeah, I really love this foundation. This is very good, blended very nicely and also have coverage, but it is not too much matte. People with dry skin, they are going to love it. It is not too much matte and not too much dry. I find like the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, it was quite matte, but this one is not matte. Because I have oily skin, I need to set it with powder, so I have set my entire face with some powder, and I think now it is looking quite good. So yeah, it is good for both oily and dry skin people, and coverage also very good. And also True Toffee is the exact match for my skin tone, because I have a little bit tan, so I went for the shade number Foxy Chestnut also. But yeah, this is very good shade. I like everything about this foundation, and the price of the product is $7.99, that means 800. I bought it on the first day, so I got 10% of discount. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.